Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing and entering the UEFI. This is where Secure Boot lives. Once your backup and recovery USB are ready, fully shut down and power on. Press F2 or delete to open ASUS BIOS. Timing matters, so try again if you miss it. Make sure you understand whether you're in UEFI or legacy mode, because Secure Boot requires UEFI. Otherwise, these options will be unavailable. Now locate the Secure Boot menu under the Boot or Security tab and stay focused. You'll now change Secure Boot settings and manage keys. This controls firmware trust. First, set OS type to Windows UEFI if using Windows, or other OS for Linux with shim. This choice alters key behavior. Next, clear existing Secure Boot keys only if you plan to reinstall defaults. Then install factory default keys so firmware recognizes signed bootloaders. Once keys are in place, enable Secure Boot and confirm boot mode is UEFI. Reboot to test the change and watch for boot errors. You finish by validating the boot sequence and handling common failures. Reboot. If the OS boots, you're done. If not, go back into BIOS and check key status and boot mode. For Linux, use mokutil or the shim enrollment prompt to add MOK so kernel modules load. This is why Secure Boot blocks unsigned drivers. If problems persist, reset BIOS defaults or flash the latest ASUS firmware. This often fixes corrupted key stores. One key troubleshooting tip: keep your recovery USB handy so you can restore or repair the OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.